Hello, Rumi.
Blah 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 blah.
Oh no!
Huh.
Huh?
This time, I will go first.
Okay. Finally, I will go to the bathroom and then I'll come back. Okay.
Ta-da!
Wow.
Amazing! Zoe, are you finished? I probably need to call you.
Wow.
La la la, what a wonderful day. La la la, let's sing and play. Music makes us smile so bright. Everything feels just right.
It's been a long time since I last saw you. I'm very happy. But now it's late and I have to go home. Goodbye, Rumi.
Oh my god, you have to go home now? I also had a lot of fun playing. When you're free, come over to play again. Goodbye, Zoe.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye to the adorable kids who are watching.
Bye.